In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Valorant error code VAL19. Now the first thing that I suggest you do is you search for services. Once this is open, you want to scroll all the way down until you find V. Look for VGC, double click, put it on automatic and press start. So it says running. Once you've done that, press apply and OK. Then search for CMD, right click and run as an administrator. And in here you want to type ipconfig space /flush DNS, then type net sh space winsock space reset. Once you've done this and you restart your PC, then it should now work. If you're still getting this error for some reason, what I suggest you do is you search for apps and features, and then in here you want to search for Vanguard, uninstall Riot Vanguard, and then you want to open up the Riot client, this one, and there should be an update for Valorant. Now that update is to reinstall Riot Vanguard, so do that, and then it's going to reinstall Riot Vanguard, and then this might also help fix the issue. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.